Imagine a beach. It's not summer, the sun is shining, but it's not hot. There's a cool breeze. You're alone, you can hear the waves crashing, seagulls fly overhead. It's peaceful. This is the beauty of off-season travel. Off-season travel means going places when most people don't. It's about exploring destinations without the crowds. You swap packed beaches for solitary walks. Popular sites become quiet corners for contemplation. It's a different way to experience the world. Off-season travel has a unique charm. You can discover the true character of a place. You can connect with locals on a deeper level. You can find peace and quiet in popular destinations. It's an adventure for the adventurous traveler. So step off the beaten path, explore the world during the off-season. You might just discover something truly special. Off-season travel is often easier on your wallet. Plane tickets can be significantly cheaper. Hotels often offer discounted rates to attract guests. Even attractions and museums might have lower entrance fees. These cost savings can make a big difference. You can travel further or stay longer. You can splurge on a nicer hotel or a fancy meal. You can use the extra money to experience more of your destination. Saving money doesn't mean sacrificing quality. You can still have a rich and rewarding travel experience. In fact, the lower prices might allow you to enjoy things you couldn't afford during peak season. Off-season travel offers value for your money, so consider the off-season for your next trip. You can explore the world and save money at the same time. It's a win-win situation for the budget-conscious traveler. Imagine visiting popular landmarks without the crowds. Picture strolling through museums without bumping into people. Think of enjoying a peaceful meal without the noisy chatter of tourists. That's the reality of off-season travel. Popular destinations can be overwhelming during peak season. Long lines, crowded streets, and noisy restaurants can detract from the experience. Off-season travel allows you to escape these crowds and enjoy the tranquility of emptier spaces. You can take your time exploring sites. You can savor the atmosphere without distractions. You can truly appreciate the beauty and history of a place without the hustle and bustle. It's a more relaxed and enjoyable way to travel. So ditch the crowds and embrace the off-season. You'll discover a different side of popular destinations. You'll find peace and quiet in the most unexpected places. It's a refreshing change from the usual tourist frenzy. Off-season travel opens doors to authentic local experiences. Locals are less busy catering to tourists. They have more time to chat, share stories, and offer recommendations. You can get a glimpse into their daily lives and traditions. You can visit local markets without the crowds. You can have meaningful conversations with shop owners and artisans. You can learn about the local culture firsthand. It's a chance to connect with people on a deeper level. Restaurants are less crowded too. You can enjoy a leisurely meal and chat with the staff. You can sample local specialties and learn about regional cuisine. It's a chance to experience the true flavors of a place. So, venture beyond the tourist traps and embrace local interactions. Off-season travel provides a unique opportunity to connect with the heart and soul of a destination. It's an enriching experience that goes beyond the typical sightseeing. Off-season travel comes with its challenges. Weather can be unpredictable. Rainy days, cold spells, or even extreme heat can dampen your spirits and disrupt your plans. It's essential to be prepared for less than ideal weather conditions. Pack layers of clothing to adapt to changing temperatures. Bring an umbrella or raincoat for unexpected showers. Check the weather forecast regularly and be flexible with your itinerary. Don't let a little rain spoil your adventure. Remember, even bad weather can have its charm. A rainy day can be perfect for exploring museums or cozy cafes. A snowy landscape can transform familiar sights into a winter wonderland. Embrace the unexpected and make the most of any weather. So pack accordingly and be prepared for the elements. Don't let weather worries deter you from experiencing the joys of off-season travel. A little flexibility can go a long way in making your trip enjoyable, rain or shine. Off-season travel can mean limited options. Some attractions, restaurants and shops might have reduced operating hours or even be closed completely. It's crucial to research and plan accordingly to avoid disappointment. Check the opening hours of places you want to visit, make reservations for restaurants, especially if you're traveling to smaller towns. Be prepared to adjust your itinerary if certain places are unavailable. Flexibility is key. Remember, closed doors can lead to unexpected discoveries. You might stumble upon a hidden gem or find an alternative activity that you wouldn't have considered otherwise. Embrace the spontaneity and see where the off-season takes you. So do your homework and be prepared for some limitations. Don't let closed signs discourage you. Off-season travel is about exploring the unexpected and making the most of what's available. It's all part of the adventure. Off-season travel requires careful planning. Research your destination thoroughly. Check the weather averages for your travel dates. Make a list of attractions and activities that interest you. Find out their operating hours during the off-season. Book accommodations and transportation in advance, especially if you're traveling to remote areas. Consider travel insurance to protect yourself against unexpected events. Pack appropriate clothing and gear for the weather conditions. Planning ahead helps you avoid disappointment. It ensures you make the most of your time and budget. It allows you to experience the best of your destination, even during the off-season. So don't wing it. Take the time to plan your off-season adventure. The more prepared you are, the more enjoyable and rewarding your trip will be. Careful planning is the key to unlocking the hidden treasures of off-season travel. Off-season travel offers unique experiences. You can participate in local festivals and events that only happen during specific times of the year. You can enjoy outdoor activities without the crowds, from hiking to skiing. You can witness natural phenomena like blooming flowers or migrating birds. These experiences are often less crowded and more affordable during the off-season. You can savor the moment without distractions. You can connect with nature and local culture on a deeper level. It's a chance to create lasting memories. Off-season adventures allow you to see a different side of the destination. You can step off the beaten path and discover hidden gems. You can experience the world in a more authentic and meaningful way. So embrace the unique opportunities that off-season travel offers. Seek out local events, explore nature's wonders, and create your own adventure. It's a chance to discover the hidden treasures that most tourists miss. Off-season travel is a balancing act. It offers tempting advantages like cost savings, fewer crowds, and unique experiences. However, it also presents challenges like unpredictable weather, limited options, and potential closures. Weighing these pros and cons is crucial. Consider your travel style, budget, and priorities. Are you willing to trade sunny skies for lower prices? Can you handle a few closed doors in exchange for authentic local interactions? The decision is personal. There's no right or wrong answer. Off-season travel is ideal for some travelers, while peak season is better for others. The key is to choose what's best for you and your travel goals. So assess your needs and preferences. Be honest about your expectations. Then embrace the off-season or stick to the crowds. The choice is yours. Choose wisely and enjoy the journey. Off-season travel is a unique way to experience the world. It's about embracing the quiet moments, connecting with local culture, and discovering hidden treasures. It's about finding beauty in the unexpected and creating your own adventure. It's not for everyone, but for those seeking a different perspective, off-season travel can be incredibly rewarding. It requires careful planning and a flexible mindset, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. So consider stepping off the beaten path. Explore the world during the off-season. You might just discover something truly special. You might find that the world's hidden gems shine brightest when the crowds have gone home.